Most people think real estate investors are rich before they get started, but that's not how many of them actually build wealth. What if I told you, one property could become two, two could become four, and eventually create enough income to completely change your life, and almost nobody explains how this actually works. Right now, millions of people are trapped, working harder, making money, and watching that money disappear faster than ever before. Meanwhile, investors are using a completely different strategy. They're not just buying properties, they're building leverage. Here's what many smart investors do. They find properties using creative financing, sometimes seller financing, sometimes subject to deals, sometimes off-market opportunities. The goal isn't just to buy the property, the goal is to control the asset the right way. Then, they improve the property, raise the value, stabilize the income, and once the property becomes more valuable, they refinance it. And this is where everything changes. They pull out a large portion of the newly created equity, without selling the property. That money can then be used to acquire another property, and then they repeat the process again, and again, and again. One property becomes two, two becomes four, four becomes cash flow. And over time, that cash flow starts helping pay down the earlier properties. Eventually, you reach a point where some of these properties are completely free and clear, and now you've created something most people never achieve: monthly income backed by real assets. This is why some investors can survive economic downturns, while everyone else is panicking over paychecks, because they stopped depending only on earned income. They built income-producing assets. And the craziest part, most people never even realize this path exists. They spend their entire lives believing they have no options. But there are options. And once you understand how this game is actually played, you start looking at money completely differently. Follow Nova R.E Alliance for more real estate investing strategies.